To add a printer to your iPhone is pretty easy. You just have to make sure it's a Wi-Fi printer. That's number one. And number two, it has to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. If you're setting this up at your home, you probably only have one Wi-Fi network. But if you're doing this at a business, maybe there's two or more. So to check which Wi-Fi network your phone is on, just go into the settings and then go all the way out to the main settings area. Up near the top, you'll see Wi-Fi, and this is the name of the network that your phone is connected to. Make sure that this is the same as the one your printer is connected to. In this day and age, that's pretty much all you have to do to make sure the connection can be established. Now just make sure that the printer is on and ready. And then you can go into wherever you have a document you want to print. I'm going to go into Files. I'm going to print this document here, which incidentally you can get for free. You can download this document. It's designed to help you stop scammers. All the settings you have to set on your phone to make your phone as safe as possible. You have this for free if you want it. Just scan the QR code on your screen right now if you're on a TV or some other device, or click the link in the description down below. That'll take you to my website where you enter your email address, and I'll send this to you and you can print it off and keep it with you. It's really handy. So once you have this, let's say it's on your phone and you want to print it on your Wi-Fi printer, you just tap the share button after you've opened the document, and there's a print option. Tap on that. And up here, it shows my Wi-Fi printer. It might also say no printer selected, in which case you tap on this. You can see all the known printers that are on the same Wi-Fi network that are also turned on and ready to go. So you can pick the printer here. You can set various things in regards to the print, and then tap on this blue print icon to print it. And right after you get this document and you set your phone up to stop all the scammers from getting access to you, check out this video here, which is going to help you check your phone for viruses and malware. It's pretty important that you do that, so make sure you watch that video next. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.